Guys, welcome to Lithical Preps. So today we are looking at this question. It's part of the 2024 BECE math questions. It says that a fair die and a fair coin are thrown together once. I write down the set of all possible outcomes. I find the probability of obtaining a prime number and a tail. Okay, so this is the question BECE 2024 past question mathematics. So let's try to solve this. So first of all, this question is under probability. It's a probability question. So it's talking about a die and a coin. So when you throw a coin, so let me start with the dice first. When you throw a die, you do die. Okay, what will be the outcomes? So let's say the number of outcomes of dice. So we can get the set of outcomes, can get 1, can get 2, can get 3, 4, 5, and 6. So these are the possible outcomes for a die. When you throw a die, these are the possible outcomes. Let's look at the coin. So when you throw a coin or you toss a coin, what will be the possible outcomes? We can get head or what? A tail. So it has two possible outcomes. Okay, so this is what we are talking about. When they are thrown together, what will be the outcome? So in this type of question, we need to draw a table for it. Okay, that is the I. So write down the set of all possible outcomes. So after you setting your set, you know the outcomes that you are going to get from each, then you combine. Okay. So for the little die, you know that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then for the coin, we have our tail, let's say H, then the head as, sorry, the head as H and the tail as T, like this. So make sure you use your rule to join the lines nicely. Okay, make sure you provide neat way. Now, the combination that we are going to get, we can get head and 1. So head and 1. We can get head and 2, head with 3, head with 4, head with 5, head with 6. You can also get tail and 1, tail and 2, tail and 3, tail 4, tail and 5, and tail and 6. Okay, so these are the possible outcomes. Okay, so we can get these possible outcomes. So say that therefore the possible outcomes are, so you have to list them: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5, and T6. So these are the possible outcomes for the I. Now the II, which is find the probability of obtaining a prime number and a tail. Okay, so after getting the possible outcomes, we are asked to look for the probability of obtaining a prime number and a tail. So in this case, we have to look for the number of prime numbers in the, okay, so you can see that 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5, 2 is a prime number. Okay, so we say that number of prime and tail is equal to, we had 1, 2, 3. Okay, now the total number of the sample or event, the total number of sample equal to this one. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's 12. So probability of getting prime and tail is equal to the number of prime and tail on total number of sample. So this will give us P of prime and tail is equal to, so we have 3 on 12. So this 3 on 12, 3 goes into self 1, it goes into 12 4 times. So we are going to get 1 on 4. Okay, so we say that therefore the probability of obtaining a prime number and a tail is 1 on 4. Good. So this is how solve the probability question. Thank you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.